recent years, we've developed our STEM program beginning at the intermediate level. We had a few teachers there that were very strong in the area of STEM, science, technology, engineering, and math. And they evolved our traditional industrial arts program at the middle schools into something that is now more appropriately called technology education, tech ed.
My name is Laura Doyle, and I taught at Roosevelt Intermediate School for 12 years in the wood shop, so I was technology education.
The middle school also put together a competitive robotics team. So when those students came to the high school, we needed to be prepared to offer them similar kinds of opportunities. So we implemented a few courses that have been very popular. Two examples are, one is sort of like an architecture, structural engineering course, and the other one is biology-based. It's a forensics course, which is really popular. We have 7 sections in that one. So in addition to those new courses, we wanted to implement something more along the lines of maybe mechanical engineering, which involves programming, which is really a key skill that young people need to have moving forward if they're interested in those fields for college and careers.
For months and months we've met, we visited schools, we researched different programs, different curricula, and we've decided upon a course called Engineering Your World, which is through the University of Texas at Austin.
So that's really what got the ball rolling, and now we've gotten to the point where we do need a facility. We need an innovation environment, an innovation classroom.
And Engineer Your World allows students to learn about engineering and the different facets of it. So civil engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, and then complete hands-on projects as they go through different design challenges in the course. They need an easy, flexible, inviting, and creative space where they can work.
In a traditional classroom setting, you have normally desks and tables, whether they're connected or not, but they're typically in a set location that never moves. But what if there were wheels for each piece of furniture? What if the storage could be moved around? What if the tables and chairs actually connect together to build different types of environments and different types of furniture? Now you could have a space in which it's a lecture hall at one period that could then turn into a collaboration room in another period where a few desks could come together and they could now be in groups of 5 or 6.
I think this is going to be a wonderful opportunity for all of our students who have an interest in robotics. Just in the last couple of years, we've had an after-school club that's really kind of almost been like nomads in a lot of ways. They've been bouncing around after school from room to room, trying to find places where they can store a lot of their equipment, a lot of their fields and their cars and stuff. So having a space like this where they can actually set up their field and almost be like a home base for them and actually have storage space for them is going to be a godsend for them.
Another vision is growing the technology education program so that there can be multiple different classes that are offered in this classroom.
The key to our vision now is to match form and function. The students need a versatile, modern learning space that can be modified based on the program innovations that we develop for the students.
This is the HoverCam Pilot Interactive Presenter's Workstation. This workstation has built into it a Windows 10 operating system computer, as well as a built-in document camera and the capability to integrate iPads, iPhones, and other devices running iOS.
We can prepare students for working in innovation fields that are in great demand right now and get them familiar with problem solving through project-based activities. If we're going to expect them, encourage them, and lead them towards trying different things and taking risks, then our classroom needs to be the same way. Ultimately, the goal is for every square inch of the room to contribute to learning and to be flexible. We don't want to set up a room for any one thing. We need the room to be set up for scenarios that we haven't even thought of yet.